Are you tired of your greens wilting away the moment you move out? Well, stick around because we've got some clever kitchen gadgets that will help you simplify your life and keep everything fresh and organized. From sliding trays to easy-to-use food sealers, these tools are perfect for making your kitchen more efficient and fun. And don't forget, you can find the product links in the description below for easy access. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more great tips and gadgets. So without further ado, let's get into it. Number 12. Sliding appliance tray. Who says convenience can't look stylish? Is your kitchen feeling a little cramped? Tired of lifting heavy appliances just to use them? Well, we've got the perfect solution for you. Glad! Introducing the sliding appliance tray. No more struggling with bulky gadgets. This tray lets you effortlessly slide your appliances out when you need them and slide them back when you're done. Slide them back when you're done. Imagine how easy it would be to pull out your KitchenAid mixer, blender or coffee machine with just a smooth glide. No lifting, no mess, just pure convenience. Supporting up to 25 pounds, it's built to handle all your heavy-duty kitchen tools, making your life a whole lot easier. Coming at number 11, we've got the couch console. Imagine the perfect evening, your favorite show, a comfy couch and everything you need within arm's reach. But wait, is your drink in danger of spilling? Or are your snacks just out of reach? Introducing the ultimate solution for comfort and convenience, the premium couch console. This sleek and functional console brings everything you need right to your fingertips. Its anti-spill compartment, you can safely balance your drinks without worrying about accidents. Whether it's your coffee, soda, or a glass of wine, your beverage stays secure and ready for the next sip. Craving a snack? The couch console has plenty of storage space to keep your favorite treats close by. No more getting up or scrambling through the kitchen, everything you need is right there. And when your devices need a charge, the built-in charger ensures your phone, tablet or any other gadget stays powered up while you relax. Number 10. Self-stirring mug. Say hello to effortless mornings with the self-stirring mug, the ultimate gadget for coffee lovers on the go. This innovative mug is USB rechargeable, making it perfect for your busy lifestyle. Just add water and coffee, press the button, and watch as it stirs your drink automatically. No spoons, no mess, just perfectly mixed coffee every time. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the move, the self-stirring mug is your convenient companion for hassle-free coffee making. Upgrade your coffee game with the self-stirring mug today and enjoy perfectly stirred drinks wherever you go. Coming at number 9, vacuum sealing machine. Take your food storage to the next level with the vacuum sealing machine, the ultimate tool for keeping your food fresh longer. This powerful machine is perfect for preserving everything from meats to nuts, thanks to its 5 adjustable sealing temperatures. Whether you're storing delicate snacks or hearty cuts of meat, it's got you covered. With a sealing length of 32 pm, it can handle multiple bags at once, making meal prep and bulk storage faster and more efficient. And in just 10 to 20 seconds, your food is securely sealed and ready for storage. Say goodbye to freezer burn and wasted food, and hello to longer-lasting freshness with the vacuum sealing machine. Get yours today and start saving time, money and food. Number 8. Anti-Fatiguing Kitchen Mat. Transform your kitchen experience with the Anti-Fatigue Kitchen Mat, designed for comfort and safety during those long hours on your feet. This padded mat provides the perfect cushioning to reduce strain on your legs, back and feet, making cooking, cleaning or meal prep a lot more comfortable. With its non-slip design, you can work confidently without worrying about slips or falls, and the waterproof surface ensures it stays clean and fresh even during the messiest kitchen tasks. Easy to wipe down and built to last, this mat is the perfect addition to any kitchen, helping you stay comfortable while preventing accidents. Upgrade your kitchen with the Anti-Fatigue Kitchen Mat today, because comfort and safety should always come first. Number 7. Adjustable measuring spoon. Cooking and baking just got a whole lot easier with the adjustable measuring spoon. Say goodbye to multiple spoons cluttering your kitchen. This innovative spoon lets you adjust the measurements with a simple slide of the handle, giving you precise measurements every time. Whether it's teaspoons, tablespoons, or anything in between, you've got it covered. Clear, easy-to-read indicators make it simple to get the perfect amount of ingredients, helping you follow recipes to a T. And when you're done, cleanup is a breeze. The adjustable measuring spoon is dishwasher safe and dismantles easily for thorough cleaning. Make your cooking and baking effortless and accurate with the adjustable measuring spoon. Precision, convenience, and simplicity all in one. Get yours today and elevate your kitchen game. Coming at number 6. Motion sensor under cabinet lights. Light up your kitchen with style and convenience using motion sensor under cabinet lights. These sleek, rechargeable lights are designed to make your space more functional and inviting. With built-in motion sensors, they turn on automatically when you need them, offering hands-free illumination. Need a softer glow? The dimmer feature lets you adjust the brightness to create the perfect ambience, whether you're cooking, cleaning, or just enjoying a late-night snack. Installation is a breeze. Simply attach them with adhesive tape for a seamless modern look. No wires, no hassle. Just elegant, practical lighting. Meet the KitchenAid Artisan Stand Mixer. The ultimate companion for every kitchen enthusiast, whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting your culinary journey. This mixer is here to elevate your creations. Crafted with high-quality zinc and stainless steel, this mixer combines style and strength. With a variety of stunning color options, it's easy to find the perfect match for your kitchen and personality. Powerful enough for nearly any recipe, the KitchenAid Artisan Stand Mixer handles everything from whipping cream to kneading dough for 4 loaves of bread or mixing enough batter for 9 dozen cookies in one go. The spacious 5-quart stainless steel bowl offers both capacity and convenience, designed with a comfortable handle for easy maneuvering. Experience precision mixing like never before. With 59 touch points per rotation, every ingredient is perfectly incorporated for consistent results. Coming at number 4. Dish Drying Rack. Say goodbye to crowded countertops with the expandable dish drying rack. The perfect solution for all your dish drying needs. This versatile rack extends up to 27 inches, giving you plenty of room for plates, cutlery, glasses, and more. Whether you're washing up after a small meal or a big family dinner, this rack has you covered. Crafted from durable stainless steel, it's built to last and resists rust, ensuring long-term use. Plus, the included drain board keeps your counters dry by directing water exactly where it needs to go. Upgrade your kitchen with the expandable dish drying rack today, because drying dishes has never been this easy. Number 3. Sharp Knife Sharpener. Bring your dull knives back to life with the Sharp Knife Sharpener, the ultimate tool for effortless sharpening. This portable gadget makes it easy to keep your knives razor sharp. Its suction mechanism securely attaches to any flat surface, giving you a stable base for safe and effective sharpening. Simply glide your knife over the sharpener, and in seconds, you'll have a perfectly sharp edge, ready to tackle any kitchen task. Compact and convenient, it's perfect for any kitchen, big or small. Say goodbye to dull blades and hello to precision cutting. Get the Sharp Knife Sharpener today and make every slice smooth and effortless. Coming at number 2, Fridge Turntable. Say goodbye to digging through the back of your fridge with the Fridge Turntable. This rotating turntable makes accessing all your food items effortless. Simply give it a spin and everything you need is right at your fingertips. No more reaching and stretching to find what's hidden in the back. Perfect for jars, condiments, and even small containers. It helps keep your fridge organized and your items easy to find. Number 1. Electric Can Opener. Say goodbye to struggling with traditional can openers and hello to effortless convenience with the electric can opener. This battery-powered opener makes opening cans a breeze. Simply press a button and it automatically does the work for you, leaving smooth, safe edges every time. Perfect for those with grit challenges, it's designed for comfort and ease, making meal prep quicker and safer. Upgrade your kitchen with the electric can opener today and enjoy effortless can opener with no mess, no stress. So, whether you're moving out or just looking to upgrade your kitchen game, these gadgets are sure to keep things running smoothly. Complete these simple setups and grab these handy tools and keep your kitchen fresh and functional. Start with the brain from D's Pure Healthy Flavors, D's Freshness and Functional. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more tips and tricks to simplify your life.